Installation of the Teal Digital Planner for Windows users using the 1pkg file. Welcome to the OneNote obsessed digital planner world. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through the process of installing the OneNote Digital Planner on your PC and syncing it to your mobile devices. Since Microsoft OneNote is a cloud-based application, installing the digital planner on Microsoft OneDrive allows you to access it from anywhere, whether you're using a Windows, Android, or iOS device. To summarize, with the Microsoft OneNote app installed on any mobile device, you'll have seamless access to your digital planner wherever you go. When you purchase your digital planner, you will receive a PDF instruction guide containing a link to the shared digital files via Google Drive. Upon opening the shared Google Drive link, you will see two folders, one for Mac and another for Windows users. Each folder contains a file corresponding to the same Teal Digital Planner, with two types of files designed for optimal installation, either on Mac or Windows. Navigate to the folder for your primary device and download the appropriate file type. For Windows users, this will be the OneNote native file with the extension 1pkg. The best and easiest method for Windows users is to open the native OneNote file with the .1pkg extension by simply clicking on the file. However, there is one exception for users of Windows 10. If your Windows computer only has the OneNote for Windows 10 app installed, you must use the importer method, as this version of OneNote cannot open 1pkg files directly. Previously, there were two official versions of Microsoft OneNote available for Windows users. OneNote for Windows 10. The app is pre-installed on all editions of Windows 10. OneNote desktop version, included with the licensed Office suite, such as Office 2021 and earlier versions, and OneNote as part of a Microsoft 365 subscription. However, support for OneNote for Windows 10 is ending in October 2025. Users are encouraged to transition the desktop version of OneNote to ensure continued support and access to new features. The main installation steps of the OneNote Digital Planner for Windows users. Step number 1. Download the planner file. First, follow the shared file link provided in your PDF and download the file with the extension .1pkg from the appropriate Windows folder. If you are using Google Chrome, you may see a warning stating that the file cannot be previewed or scanned for viruses. These are standard messages for zip files and can be safely ignored. Your downloaded file will typically appear in your Downloads folder. Step number 2. Double-click on Planner file. Windows users can simply open the planner file with the .1pkg extension directly from the Downloads folder by clicking on the file. This click will initiate the installation process. Step number 3. Define the file location. During this step, you can select where the planner will be saved, either on a local drive or in cloud storage via OneDrive. You can also choose a notebook cover, but the most important step is to determine where the planner file will be stored. By default, the planner may be set to save locally on your computer or automatically to OneDrive, depending on your OneNote settings. If you want to access your planner on other devices, such as Apple or Android devices or secondary Windows devices, you must ensure that the planner is uploaded to Microsoft OneDrive. Once the installation begins, a progress bar will appear. This process may take a few minutes. Pages appear slowly the first time. What you'll notice is that the planner sections and pages load one by one, with a noticeable delay, but only during the first time. This delay occurs because the planner uses images as backgrounds. Once the pages are fully loaded, this will not happen again, and they will open instantly on subsequent visits. You'll also observe that the sections on the left side load gradually, one by one. Initially, these sections may appear grayed out. Once they are fully loaded, such as the monthly sections, they will display in teal green color, indicating successful loading. As you begin clicking on a fully loaded section, the images will appear instantly, and hyperlinks will blend seamlessly with the background, creating a stylish and cohesive look for the planner. Step 4. Hiding the author's initials. For a cleaner, more professional look, it is recommended to hide the author's initials. These initials are small identifiers next to edits or content created by different users in a shared notebook. Here's how to remove them. Click either View or History on the top ribbon depending on your version of OneNote. Find the option Hide Authors and click on it. This will remove the author's initials from all text boxes, enhancing the overall appearance of the planner. This concludes the installation process using OneNote native 1pkg file, which should be used by Windows users with any version of OneNote for desktop and OneNote as a part of an Office subscription. Remember that for OneNote for Windows 10 users, you will need to either install another version of OneNote, if this was the only version available on your PC, or use the importer method. For further details on installing the planner using importer method, please watch our video for Mac users. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section or email us directly. Thank you for watching.